here we have the Yamaha Blaster at MUCKANDFUN in Wicklow. We have two of these in stock at the moment. This one's €2,250. Lovely quad. Was a limited edition red and black. Has nice FMF exhaust, gives it a lovely sound. NERF bars. Also still on the original front factory tires, so not too much use on it. You got the FMF exhaust, 200cc 6-speed gearbox, finance over 1, 2 or 3 years. Shock covers on it as well. Give you a listen to the engine. Can't beat the sound of a Yamaha Blaster. 2-stroke. There you go. Yamaha Blaster at MUCKANDFUN. We also have Raptors, TRX Hondas, a few others. Need any info or help, just let us know. Over 250 machines in stock at the moment, so a lot to choose from. Just switch it off. Has a kill switch on it as well. So there you go, Yamaha Blaster at MUCKANDFUN.